Hi everyone, and today I am going to make one of the most annoying sounds you have ever heard. So here we go.